Hi guys, and today I'm going to show you my opinion of the PC that you can build in your price range. Starting off with a CPU, you can buy an i3 9100F around $111. Moving to the graphic card, you can buy a GTX 1650 Super around $150. With the motherboard, you can buy an MSI B450M Pro VDH and it's around $90. For your PC storage, you can buy a Kingston A400 with a 240GB from $28 to $35. Then for your PC memory, you can buy this with a 16GB for $70. For your power supply, you can go for this too at the price of $50. And for your case, you can choose a Deepcool mattress 30 max for around $40. And in total, this PC should cost you around $550. But for a powerful editing PC, you could choose a Ryzen 9 3950X for your CPU with the price at $750. Moving to the graphic cards, you can buy an RTX 2080 Super at the price between $720 and $810. With the motherboard, you can buy an Asus Prime X 570p for around $150, and for your PC storage, you can buy a Samsung 970 EVO with 1 trillion byte around $200, and if you can, you should buy 4 of it. Then for your PC memory, you could buy this with 32GB for $130. For your power supply, you could also go for this at the price of $250. For your PC case, you could choose this for around $110. And for your CPU cooler, you can buy a Corsair H100i Pro for $140. And in total, this PC should cost you around $2,450 to $3,140.